In the latest version of BlogPad Pro, we've added lots of changes to our visual editor. Let's go through some of those changes. I'll open up a post. Now, the first thing you'll notice is that there are now 2 rows of buttons. You can use this button on the end to contract or expand the rows of buttons, depending on which options you need. Now you have the same options as before here: bold, italic, strike through, underline, alignment options, bulleting and numbering, block quote, adding a read more section, adding an image, and adding a hyperlink. Now the new options, we have a spell check. Let's tap on that. This automatically goes through your post text and highlights anything that it thinks is spelt incorrectly. Now it lists suggestions here. If none of those are correct, you can just type the alternative in here and then just tap replace. You'll also notice on the spell check that there's a word count. This box is also movable, so you can move it to wherever you want it. When you're done, just tap the X. There's also a search button which searches text within your post. You can see for the word lavender we have 9 results. You can go through these individually and replace any with text that you want to. You can either replace all or replace them in individual cases. Again, this box is movable, and just close it when you're done. If you tap on this option, you can also edit the markdown, and this button takes you to the HTML view. Going on to the second line, you can also change your paragraph styles. Let's select this paragraph, which is currently set to heading 2. Let's change it to heading 3. You can also change the font, the size of the font, and the colour of the font. To do this, select the font colour that you want, tap Update, and then select the text and just tap. The highlight colour works in the same way. You also have this arrow button which adds a single line instead of a double line space, and you have the next option. If you tap on this, it adds paging into your post. You can also indent and outdent text, and easily add tables.